Alright guys, today we're going to be fixing the new Ferrari SC40, and we're going to make it look more like an F40 because it doesn't necessarily look too bad, but we're going to be fixing this headlight first of all and make it look proper. Now we're going to bring back this side line over here which goes all across the car in the original, which they decided to remove. Now let's show some love to this door vent and make it look like the actual F40 before we go back to the headlights, which once again they weren't looking too bad at the start, but they looked a little like they were sad and simply like prey eyes in my opinion. So let's make them look angrier and more like the F40. Alright, now let's go to the back and fix this part over here. And I know it might not make sense aerodynamically, but I'm simply making it look more like the F40, so we're also gonna do the wing. And honestly speaking, I do like the new version, but I'm just making it look like the F40 so we can see how this car would potentially look if it was done the same era. Going by that logic, let's just make this car red, and I also kept the wheels white because that's the look Ferrari is going with recently and I like it. And also, let's bring back the black line which is around the original F40 headlight. And this makes the car look nicer right away. Also, the F40 has some vents in the rear which look pretty good, so let's draw some of those in as well. And then also in the front side of the car. And funny enough, this was the hardest part of the entire editing, even though I just stole these from the actual F40. And if you want to learn more about this car, I'm going to be making a video on that soon, so subscribe for that. And here are our final results. So this is how we're looking, guys. I think this is closer to the actual F40, but nevertheless this is before, and you might like it, you might not. I think it's interesting, but not necessarily my taste. And I surely think our design looks more like an actual F40 than this one. Meanwhile, as far as the rear goes, I like it, so I will not touch anything males today. But I guarantee you will not regret watching one of these videos over here. Thanks for watching.